Yeah, and she's always been talented. I mean, when I got to Vardos, she was sold to Sundowns. So we had a bus, like a 22-seater, that Sundowns gave Vardos. And I think it was bought, I think 1 million. The transfer was 1 million.
Yeah, that's what Singi says.
Yeah,
Says
I can
Sundowns made in
understand
the
from
first million.
Vodacom at that time to PSL. So when people were speaking about Chika, I was like, who is this Chika? Like, you want to, at his snapper namhlanje.
Because of Chika.
Like, hey, this Chika. But I got to see him playing alongside Thabo Kaling at Aces.
Yeah.
I like you.
Yes.
You. Hey.
Yeah.
No. Hey, let's
OJ as a 5.
I think they also had this bro from Nigeria used to play for Pirates midfield.
Okongo. Yes.
Yeah. So see, like with you, I know. You understand why. And Kaling was then signed by Pirates, and then Shika went back to Sundowns.
Yeah.
So you could see, but I think players